Damon123104 here, and welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's. We're about to start night 3. I did make one change. I put it where you can see the mouse, as you can see here, just so you guys know where I'm clicking and stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Third night, 12 a.m. Oh gosh. Alrighty, any phone calls tonight? Yep. Go and answer the phone. Where is the phone anyway? I don't see it.
Hello. Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long.
Oh, that's great.
I mean, you know, they usually move on to other things by now.
They quit the job in 3 days?
They die. That's not what I meant.
Yeah, they do.
Anyway, I better not take up too much of your time. Things start getting real tonight.
Oh, great.
Hey, listen, I had an idea.
Oh, crap.
I happen to get caught and want to avoid getting stuffed into a Freddy suit.
Chica is already missing.
You know, go
Oh, I think that's Chica right there. Yeah.
maybe they'll think that you're an empty costume instead.
Okay, but he did.
If they think you're an empty costume, they might try to stuff a metal skeleton into you. I wonder how that would work. Yeah, never mind. Scratch that. It's best just not to get caught.
Okay, so don't play dead.
Okay, I'll leave you to it.
Okay,
See
let's
you
go.
on the flip side.
Yeah. See you tomorrow. I think I just heard footsteps. Hey, that's great. Well, oh gosh. You still there, Chica? Chica? Oh, hey. She just looks fantastic. Whatever Chica is, I'm not really sure. I have a headache. I'm not going to do that this time. Oh, Chica's just down the hallway. Oh. Don't dumbly dumb at me. I hear you in there. Okay. Bonnie and Freddy are staying still. Chica's being a little... Chica? Oh, hey, there you are. Keeps dumbly dumbing. Shut up, Foxy. You know, you don't really see any pictures of him. What is your deal? He's really active. What? Excuse me? What was that? Oh, Foxy's coming out. Freddy's moving for like the first time ever, other than when I lost that night. Freddy? 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 Foxy? Where's Freddy? There's Bonnie. Where's Freddy? Freddy? Hey Chica, hey Foxy. I think there's Bonnie there. Freddy? Freddy. Where is he? Foxy. Oh, is that Freddy? There's Bonnie. Where's Chica at? Bonnie, Freddy, Fox. Okay, I know where they all are. I don't like this game. Does it get better with the other ones? Like, the power thing is just stressful. No, no thank you. I don't want any. What the crap was that? Someone banging at something? What is that? So no one's even on the show stage anymore. Chica? Chica? Where'd Chica? Okay. Chica, Freddy, Mr. Foxy. Eh. Someone in the kitchen? Oh, I guess Chica went in the kitchen. Oh, Chica's there. Hey, Bonnie. Hey. Oh, my computer just lost power for a second. Oh, gosh. Hope I didn't screw anything up. Okay. I don't like this. Chica. Okay, I got them all in sight. So far, the only one that's really made a move is Bonnie and Freddy when I lost the other game. Like, at the door, I mean. Chica hasn't really done anything at the door yet. Freddy? Hey, Chica? Where did Freddy go? Freddy? Freddy Fazbear, you have a call on, at the customer center. Please, is that Bonnie? That's Bonnie. Where the crap is Freddy? Hey, Bonnie. Go away, Bonnie. Go away, Bonnie. Go away, Bonnie. Please go away from me. And quit laughing, Freddy. That's not funny. Go away. Who's playing music? No, that's not cool, man. Dude, go away. Finally. You better freaking get your butt back in there, Foxy. I'm serious. You think I'm kidding with you, Foxy? You better freaking get your butt right back in there. I'm gonna run out of power. Foxy, I ain't playing with you. I wanna run out of power, come on. Oh. Yes. Foxy, God almighty. 2 more nights to go. Let's keep on going. Any phone calls tonight? Yep. I'm just gonna sit here and listen to it. I ain't gonna mess with the cameras. Screw that.
Oh, hey. Hey, wow, day 4. I think you can do it.
What was that?
For me, I'm kind of glad that I recorded my messages for you. So when I did, hey, do me a favor.
What's that banging?
You can check inside those suits in the back room. I'm gonna try to hold out until someone checks. Maybe it won't be so bad.
Oh! Oh. That's not funny. Oh, God almighty. I was not expecting that. Was not expecting that at all. Freaking Foxy. God. Okay, let's get back to it. God almighty. Well, he said moves when you're not looking at it. Stay in there. Well, phone's not ringing. What the crap? Bonnie? Bonnie? Or no, Chica. Okay, Chica's in the hallway. They're there. Parko's good. Chica? Oh, Chica. Chica? Chica, what are you doing? Where did Chica go? Okay. Where did Bonnie go? Okay, Bonnie, Chica, Freddy, Foxy. Okay. Squeak for good luck. Both Bonnie and Chica are gone. Okay, Chica, Bonnie, Chica, Bonnie. Dum dum diddle dum dum. Screw you, Foxy. Oh great, you're there. What in the crap are you doing? Oh, now Freddy's laughing. Oh no, Freddy's moved. He's dum-diddly-dumming. He's having a seizure. He's having a seizure. I'm about to have a panic attack. This is fun. You guys still having seizures? Yeah. It's alright, you'll just have to wait it out. Go chill. Gosh. It's like they're waiting for something. Okay. I hear footsteps, I don't like it. Chica's there. Where the crap did Bonnie go? Okay, Bonnie's in storage. You're having a seizure. Foxy's there. Still having a seizure? Yeah. You still in the closet? Yeah. Are you there? Are you there? Okay. Hey, Foxy. Go away. Okay, he left as soon as he laughed, so I'm thinking that his laughing is maybe him moving. Chica's gone, Chica's there. Bonnie's in the closet. He's there. Where did Freddy go? Okay, where did she go? Hey! I found her. Go away, please. You gone? Okay, you're gone. Okay. Where's Freddy? Okay, I think that's Freddy right there in the bathroom. I'm guessing. Oh, you're having a seizure again. You're in the closet. You're there. I think Freddy's right there with his eyes. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, if I'm right, that laughing means he moved again. Yep, those things aren't... What the crap was that? Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright. I think we'll continue on night 4 on the next episode, you guys. So, see you then, and adios.